Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the Gh5 has a healthy battery and the SD card situation is handled. Empty or back up the card so nothing is lost. Once done, record any custom settings you want to restore because a factory initialize deletes them all. Next, turn the camera on and choose a capture mode so the full setup menus are available. This gets you straight into the menus where the reset options live and prevents partial resets. You'll now navigate the Gh5 menus. Go to Setup, find Reset or Initialize, and select the type of reset you need. Choose Reset All to return every option to factory defaults, or pick Reset Menu to only clear menu changes. Confirm each prompt so the camera actually executes it. Once confirmed, the Gh5 processes the reset and reboots or returns to shooting mode. Make sure to run both a full reset and clear. After the reset, you should immediately set date and time, pick a shooting mode, and verify basic preferences such as image quality and focus mode so you can test the camera quickly. Make sure the firmware is current because resets can expose firmware issues. Update if needed. If something goes wrong and the Gh5 won't boot or behaves erratically, remove the battery and SD card, wait 30 seconds, reinstall power, and try again, and only then consider reapplying firmware from the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.